Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kotak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं current affairs of 5th and 6th November 22. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our Instagram channel Be EduCare Official and also join our Telegram group where the link is available in the description box below for daily video links as well as current affair videos and other exam related regular updates. Union Minister for Culture, Tourism and Dongar, G. Kishan Reddy inaugurated the 6th edition of the Ganga Utsav in New Delhi. He said that a coordinated effort is needed in this need of hour with full determination and commitment to keep the Ganga clean. Inaugurating the 6th edition of Ganga Utsav 22 in New Delhi in the presence of Ministry of Jal Shakti and Tribal Affairs, ब्रिजेश्वर तुडू and other officials, मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि गंगा बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे देश के लिए, इसीलिए हमारी कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है उसको क्लीन रखने की. टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ रिवर्स, उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि गंगा एंड दूसरे इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर्स बहुत ज्यादा नेसेसरी है ह्यूमंस के एग्जिस्टेंस के लिए, इसीलिए उनको प्रिजर्व करना भी उतना ही जरूरी है. गंगा बहुत सारी एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज देती है ऑलमोस्ट 40% ऑफ द इंडियन पॉपुलेशन को जो गंगा के बिसाइड रहते हैं. इसीलिए उन्होंने लोगों को अर्ज किया है कि वो गंगा को क्लीन रखने के लिए अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करे एंड नॉट ओनली गंगा फॉर द अदर रिवर्स इन द कंट्री ऑल्सो. In the biggest weekly increase in over a year, इंडिया का फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रिजर्व स्वेल हुआ by USD 6.561 billion to reach up till USD 531.081 billion for the week ended. On October 28, this data was shown by the RBI. Supreme Court has upheld the validity of the Employees Pension Amendment Scheme of 2014 and squashed the 15,000 salary limit. The 2014 amendment had capped the maximum pensionable salary, which included basic pay plus the dearness allowance at rupees 15,000 plus per month. Perma crisis, a term that describes an extended period of instability and insecurity, has been named as the word of the year 22 by the Collins Dictionary. Prime Minister of Israel, Yair Lapid, congratulated Benjamin Netanyahu on winning the Israel election and confirmed the former premier's triumphant comeback as the head of a solidly right-wing alliance. Independent India के पहले ever voter Shyam Saran Negi dies at the age of 106 in the state of Himachal Pradesh. मिस्टर नेगी इलेक्शन कमीशन के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रह चुके हैं जिन्होंने वोट किया हिमाचल प्रदेश के असेंबली इलेक्शन थ्रू द पोस्टल बैलेट ऑन November 2. ये उनका लास्ट वोट था एंड ही वाज एज्ड 31 जब इंडिया ने इंडिपेंडेंस गेन किया था. चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर राजीव कुमार ने विजिट किया मिस्टर नेगी के रेसिडेंस को एंड टर्म दिया उनको एज हिमाचल्स प्राइड. ही आल्सो सल्यूटेड मिस्टर नेगीज spirit and the faith in the democracy. इंडिया के आर परगंदा ने जीत लिया है एशियन कॉन्टिनेंटल चेस चैंपियनशिप इन न्यू दिल्ली. IPPB ने कोलैबोरेशन किया है इन्वेस्टर एजुकेशन एंड प्रोटेक्शन फंड अथॉरिटी अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर एंड लॉन्च किया है एक इनिशिएटिव दैट इज निवेशक दीदी प्रमोट करने के लिए फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी को, that is by the women and for the women concept. ये इनॉग्रेशन किया गया दाल लेक में which is located in श्रीनगर, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. निवेशक दीदी एक ऐसा इनिशिएटिव है जो बेस्ड है ऑन द आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ वुमेन फॉर वुमेन एंड ये इंडिया का पहला फ्लोटिंग फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी कैंप है जिसको पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी ने भी बहुत ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट किया है. Starting with the daily current affair quiz, the first question for the day is, which country has launched the world's longest passenger train as of November 22? The next question is, which is the most powerful rocket ever launched from the Earth as of November 22? The next question is, Mauna Loa, a volcano seen in the news recently, is located in which of the following countries? The next question is, which country is the host of the Global Climate Observing System Conference? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. Coming to the answers of the questions asked in the previous video, the first question was, which is the national tribal dance festival taking place? The correct answer is, it is going to be held in Raipur. The next question is, which steel plant in India became the first to receive the Responsible Steel Site certification? The correct answer is Jamshedpur Steel Plant. The next question is, from where did DRDO conduct the flight test for the Ballistic Missile Defence Interceptor? The correct answer is Orissa. And the last question was, 7 states including Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh celebrate their foundation day on which of the following days? The correct answer is November 1st. That's it, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for daily current affair videos. For classroom, live class, recorded lecture, books and ebooks facilities, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens. For more such MCQs, download the app from the link which is given in the description box below.